Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in Fairfield, Manchester, is this house that consists of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a large kitchen, living room, dining room, and an enclosed veranda. There is also a 12-foot concrete tank and a 600-gallon water tank. The house sits on 2.72 acres of level land. Also, if you're into farming, this is an excellent location. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $246,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.